Hello everyone and welcome to the Law Prep Tutorial YouTube channel. Before we get into क्या हम बात करने वाले हैं इस particular session में, let me ask you a simple question. ऐसा क्यों होता है कि we have these lofty aims and ambitions और हम काम भी करना शुरू करते हैं towards that ambition, but somewhere down the line कोई एक आधा ऐसा obstacle आ जाता है और जिस वजह से हमारा थोड़ा सा pace भी कम हो जाती है और हम थोड़े से demotivated हो जाते हैं. It might be because of a birthday party, it might be because of a family vacation, it might be because our schools are testing us every single day on some or the other subject. But you see, this happens not because your plan is really bad, but because you're very stuck in the head कि मैंने इसी तरीके से ये plan fulfill करना है. एक छोटी सी flexibility अगर हम अपनी जिंदगी में ले आए ना, तो सारे के सारे हमारे aims and ambitions fulfill भी हो जाएंगे और इतना ज़्यादा हम स्ट्रेस भी लेना कम कर देंगे. So today guys, we are going to talk about how to crack this examination, CLAT as well as AILET, in 6 months. So the very first thing is it possible? Absolutely it is. And how is it possible? So we are going to divide this entire thing into two parts. One is a non-negotiable, something that you have to do on an everyday basis. चाहे हम school going students हैं, चाहे हम retakers हैं. कुछ चीजें हैं जो कि हम बिल्कुल भी कॉम्प्रोमाइज नहीं कर सकते. एंड देन देयर आर सर्टेन थिंग्स दैट आर अ बिट फ्लेक्सिबल. लेट्स स्टार्ट ऑफ विद दिस पर्टिकुलर सेशन. द वेरी फर्स्ट थिंग इज द नॉन नेगोशिएबल सिस्टम, जिसका सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट इज रीडिंग द न्यूज़पेपर. Getting up at 7 o'clock in the morning and watching the daily newspaper analysis is less about maybe understanding it and more about telling ourselves that today we are going to seize the day and we are going to have an extremely productive day. But there are certain kids, because of whatever under the sun, who are not able to take this analysis live. You can let go of that, but you cannot let go of reading the newspaper because close to 80% of our paper is reading oriented. और ये reading passages में तरह तरह के हमारे theme based passages आते हैं. And the newspaper is a perfect way to be able to read different genres at the same time. So that is something that we cannot miss on. Apart from that, daily quant exercise is very, very important. There are kids who are very good at quant. There are kids who are very scared of quant. दोनों के दोनों को मैं बोलती हूँ, हर दिन 15 मिनट at least, at the minimum, you have to practice quant. Apart from that, you pick the slot, but please start with at least one sectional. In the first month, एक sectional. Second month, maybe we can go on to 2 sectionals in a day. And maybe thereafter in the third or the fourth month, we should definitely do 2 to 3 sectionals. अब ये sectionals को भी हम rotationally rotate कर सकते हैं. जैसे Monday को English कर लिया, Tuesday को legal कर लिया, Wednesday को logical कर लिया. ये भी हमें टाइम्ड कंडीशन में करना है. जितना टाइम हमें मॉक में उस पर्टिकुलर सेक्शन को देना है, उसी टाइम में हमें वो सेक्शनल भी करने हैं. And the third non-negotiable, which is not really a daily exercise, it's a weekly exercise, is your mock. You're not prepared today, please give the mock. Some kids say, मेरा ये नहीं हुआ, वो नहीं हुआ, मैं अभी mock नहीं दे सकता. Mock is less about how much are you scoring and more about understanding what is asked from you. And you'll be surprised at the fact that even if you don't know all the concepts, you will be able to do certain questions. And even if you're not, I suggest never ever miss a mock. Moving on, the reverse stitch GK strategy. This is primarily for those students जिन्होंने अभी तक GK current affairs को touch नहीं किया. अगर मई के महीने में बैठ के हम सारे के सारे बैकलॉग कंप्लीट करने की कोशिश करें फ्रॉम जनवरी टिल अप्रैल एंड आल्सो डूइंग मे, then we will not be able to do anything else to the other sections. And GK is not the only section that is going to be there. So stop getting super obsessed with current affairs, right? What you can, however, do is pick that month, उस मंथ का करंट अफेयर्स और एक पुराने मंथ का करंट अफेयर्स. अगर मई में बैठ के जनवरी करोगे तो आई डोंट रियली सजेस्ट यू टू डू दैट. आई फील मई के साथ अप्रैल, जून के साथ मार्च, जुलाई के साथ फरवरी, अगस्त के साथ जनवरी, एंड बाय सितंबर यू आर with everyone else without any backlog. And how do we do this GK? Take 2 sources. One is your monthly compendium. Never ever let go of that. And the second could be your class notes or your analysis notes. Wherever you're getting those notes from, please do them properly. इसके अलावा करंट अफेयर्स से ज़्यादा एलिट की अगर हम बात करें तो डिसाइडिंग फैक्टर इज द स्टैटिक जीके पोर्शन. नाउ इन द स्टैटिक जीके पोर्शन हाउ डू वी डू दैट? देखो, एक एस्पेक्ट ऑफ स्टैटिक जीके तो बहुत ही सिंपल है कि जो भी करंट में होता है उसका स्टैटिक बिकम्स इंपॉर्टेंट. सो फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इफ द इंटरनेशनल बिग कैट अलायंस समिट इज इन द न्यूज, then we need to know how it was created, and we are anyway doing that, so that is being taken care of any which way. The problem area is maybe modern history or dances in states, festivals in states, tribes in states, art forms in states, right? उन चीजों को कैसे करेंगे? अभी एक पूरा का पूरा दिन एलोकेट करके अगर आप फोक डांसेस और क्लासिकल डांसेस करोगे तो नेक्स्ट डे यू विल नॉट इवन वांट टू लुक एट योर नोट्स. So every day before sleeping, allocate 20 minutes to just static GK, starting from today up till the end. And trust me, it will be enough for you. Moving ahead, the dimmer switch. The dimmer switch is something which is for school students and not really for retakers, क्योंकि retakers have the gift of time. But gift of time का मतलब ये नहीं कि we show that we are being productive and we are not actually being productive. So you will not have the dimmer switch on. There are days that you're not feeling that great. Then you can also avoid doing as many sectionals. पर newspaper reading हर एक दिन करनी है, quant की practice हर एक दिन करनी है. I will also go on to say कि पहले महीने में चलो क्वांट कर लो, क्योंकि कंसेप्चुअल क्लैरिटी के बिना एनालिटिकल रीजनिंग के क्वेश्चंस नहीं हो पाते. बट एटलीस्ट बाय द सेकेंड मंथ व्हाट यू कैन डू इज यू कैन डू अ क्वांट एक्सरसाइज ऑन वन डे एंड ऑल्टरनेटिवली an analytical exercise on the next day after doing your concepts of coding, decoding, blood relations, linear arrangements, so on and so forth, right? Okay. नाउ स्कूल स्टूडेंट्स का ये प्रॉब्लम है कि अभी इनके एग्जाम्स आएंगे, उसके बाद आपके वेकेशंस होंगे. वेकेशंस के बाद क्या है दैट स्कूल्स विल आल्सो स्टार्ट डूइंग द पीरियोडिकल टेस्ट एंड द यूनिट टेस्ट और व्हाटएवर इट इज कॉल्ड. नाउ ड्यूरिंग दैट टाइम व्हेन यू आर प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर अ स्कूल टेस्ट, you can maybe put a pause button on the sectionals for 2 or 3 days maximum. But even on those days, 15 मिनट का क्वांट की एक्सरसाइज, 20 मिनट की जीके का रिविजन, and also your newspaper reading, it has to happen. If you can do it live, well and good. If you can't for whatever reason under the sun, please read the newspaper. That's a non-negotiable. You cannot give up on it. And more than anything else, mocks never ever have to be not done. I mean, that is something that has to be done every single week. And in fact, isme bhi, in the first 2 months, maybe you can do 1 mock in a week, but thereafter, 2 mocks in a week should be done. If you cannot do it every single week, तो एक मॉक तो हर हफ्ते कर ही रहे हैं, हर ऑल्टरनेटिव हफ्ते में 2 मॉक्स हमें पक्का ही पक्का करने हैं, that too from 2 o'clock to 4 o'clock, because that is when your examination is. Right? Moving ahead, what these 180 days should actually build. The first is reading stamina, जो बहुत easily हो जाएगा through your sectionals as well as newspaper reading. GK consistency, which again newspaper reading is going to help you, but so is that 20 minutes का static GK that you do before sleeping. Quant familiarity is super duper important because this is the only sectional जहाँ पे 100% आपको पता है कि आपका आंसर सही है. So try and get as many marks from there by doing a everyday quant familiarity exercise. Mock temperament. I've not said mock score, I've said mock temperament. So everything to do with कौन से sectional से शुरू करना है, एंड में जाते जाते पैनिक कैसे नहीं करना है, ये सब कुछ सॉर्टेड हो जाएगा अगर आप हर हफ्ते अपने मॉक को मिस नहीं करेंगे. एंड फाइनली, किसी भी मॉक का कोई भी यूसेज तब तक नहीं है जब तक आप उसको एनालाइज नहीं करते. एनालाइज कैसे करना है, वी विल टॉक अबाउट इट इन 2 minutes, बट बिफोर दैट, समर वेकेशन is the most important time, especially for school going kids. You see, there will be people, maybe even your relatives, who say, oh, let it be, बाद में जाके पढ़ लेना. बाद में जाके आपको भी पता है, मुझे भी पता है कि स्कूल के भी बहुत असाइनमेंट्स आ जाएंगे, then your pre-boards and your practicals. Please use the summer vacations to go over all of your legal and logical basic concepts, build your reading speed, and set the GK rhythm. Moving ahead, a doable daily plan. So getting up in the morning, reading the newspaper, whether or not you take it live totally depends upon you. The next one is any slot in a day for a sectional, daily quant, exercise, and from month 2 maybe, an alternative exercise. One day quant and one day AR will really help you. Nightly GK revision and the Sunday full mock, absolutely, absolutely important for you. Of course, this is not a daily plan, this is a weekly plan, right? Mock rule. कोई से भी मॉक देने के बाद वन का आंसर बी है, टू का आंसर ए है, दैट इज नॉट एन एनालिसिस, दोज आर आंसर्स. एनालिसिस इज ऐसा क्यों होता है कि मैं OMR में मार्किंग गलत कर देती हूँ. व्हाई इज इट दैट आई एम नॉट एबल टू रीड इनकरेक्ट, व्हाई इज इट दैट आई एम नॉट एबल टू रीड दैट नॉट in the question, why is it that I always get assumption based questions incorrect, right? Why is it that even if I knew the GK question का answer, I can't like recall it at that time? So ये सारा analysis करने के बाद coming back to the sectionals, actually repairing your weaknesses, that is the purpose of a mock. So give your mock, analyze your result, find the error pattern and repair it through your sectionals. That's super important for the next 6 months. And finally, if we are okay with this entire plan and we really wholeheartedly work towards it, there is no one under the sun that can stop you from getting to your dream law school. So 6 months or not, start today and let me tell you, it is absolutely enough. लेकिन हर एक दिन को उतना यूटिलाइज करना ये बहुत ज्यादा जरूरी है. एंड उससे भी ज्यादा जरूरी कि अगर बाय चांस 1-2 दिन छूट गए तो उसके शोक मनाने के जगह the next day you have to start off yet again from scratch. Please have that kind of flexibility in your plan and you will be able to get to your dream law school. Thank you very much.